first time performing, so remember that. Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you.
Please tell us about your outfit.
I'm wearing Manish Malhotra. It's my first time wearing a sari on the green carpet, so it had to be Manish Malhotra.
And how much time did you take to
Why is
prepare?
everyone asking that question? How long does it look like I took to get ready?
All the best.
Ah, yaar, follow me.
Divya, which designer are you wearing?
I'm wearing a designer from UAE, Michael Singh.
Oh, nice. I was just talking about the same to Nora also. Seiko is very famous at Cannes also. He's very pretty. And what is your checklist for walking down the green carpet?
जी 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 सो मैंने दुबई का ही डिज़ाइनर पहना है माइकल सिंह को एंड या इट्स अ वाइट आउटफिट
What's your checklist for green carpet?
I think just to have my team with me so that they take care of me because generally outfits बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं so on green carpet you know थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है खुद से carry करना so yeah they're all there.
Do you get nervous before hitting the green carpet or red carpet?
No, I don't think so. मैं excited हूँ आज because मैं perform कर रही हूँ so I'm really looking forward to it and yesterday audience की energy इतनी pumped up थी सब लोग you know यहाँ पे इतने excited है to see the entire Bollywood so I'm very very excited to perform.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
आज आपके लुक के बारे में बताइए।
वेल ये तो आपका ओन सलमान भाई का डिज़ाइनर एशली रोबेलो जी ने बनाया है सो yesterday it was कुछ हटका लुक था which was a black rock star outlook you know because IFA rocks is the theme so he's the one who's made my costumes for all the days.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज सलमान जी को मिल के और वहाँ उसके साथ बातचीत करके क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Sorry?
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज आइफा के बारे में?
Oh wow!
फाइनल डे।
See, मैं आज तो I'm representing my entire South India film industry over here today. मुझे डायरेक्टली एंड्रे ने एक इनविटेशन दिया है और यहाँ पे आने के लिए बहुत लकी कंसिडर करती हूँ और आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई एम हियर टुडे एंड आई गेट टू हम कोविड के बाद यू नो ऐसे एक महफिल में हम सब मौजूद हैं इसके लिए मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ गॉड. So I'm really looking forward to this event today. And we haven't seen a lot of our stars perform on stage together. We haven't laughed together in a long time. So this is going to be one such memorable evening for all of us.
Can you get your मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगी. आप बोल रहे हो कि आप साउथ की पूरी इंडस्ट्री को आप रिप्रेजेंट करने आए हैं.
Yeah.
मेरा ये सवाल है इतने सालों से हमने कभी कोई साउथ का ऐसा एक्टर नहीं है जो आइफा में परफॉर्म करते हुए नहीं देखा है. तो आपका उसका ओपिनियन क्या है? मैं आपसे ये भी जानना चाहूँगी जो अभी आजकल लैंग्वेज वॉर की जो डिबेट चल रही है
हाँ.
उस पर आपका क्या ओपिनियन है?
Well, I think you know just like we try to break barriers in color, हमें languages में barriers break करना है. और अभी क्या है कि स्ट्रीमिंग दुनिया आए हैं यू नो स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स की वजह से हम तो सभी लैंग्वेजेस में फिल्में देख सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ टाइम फॉर अस टू बी वन नेशन बिफोर वी फाइट एज अ नेशन विद अदर कंट्रीज यू नो. हमें पहले वन नेशन बनाना है, एक लैंग्वेज, एक ही मकसद, एक ही थॉट यू नो. So I think this is a beautiful time of change for India and more than that, also women are changing in so many ways. So it's a very exciting time. And when you spoke about South representation, आपने जो पूछा, I was not aware that before this there have not been a lot of South performances. But now it is changing because yesterday, if you looked at it, Devi Sri Prasad actually is one of my colleagues from the South. And today, in fact, I heard that there are going to be a few actors actually coming from the South who have come to Ease My Trip and all that. So we're going to have some more faces from the South, you know. But I am truly, truly blessed and very happy. In fact, I knew Andre from a long time ago, and I have performed once in IFA Utsavam as well. There were only 2 IFA Utsavams in the South. So when I got this direct invitation, it was like, you know, it came from top. I was like, why am I being called? I was like, did you make a mistake? But it was really nice, an honor. Definitely an honor, and I hope this leads to a lot of beautiful opportunities for me as well in Bombay, which I've been hoping for a very long time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste ji.
So tell us about your outfit. You are looking amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. This is an outfit by Abhishek Sharma, and I think it's stunning because it's totally inspired by the corals and the fishes, and I think it's just really stunning. I'm very excited to wear this tonight.
शर्वरी आप सबसे ज़्यादा किसकी परफॉर्मेंस का इंतजार करेंगे?
आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा तो सलमान सर की होस्टिंग की मतलब इंतज़ार रहेगा, क्योंकि इतने सालों बाद वो होस्ट कर रहे हैं, और आई थिंक टाइगर और शाहिद सर का परफॉर्मेंस जो होने वाला है. थैंक यू.
थोड़ा सा